Hello, half-ass viewers. Have you ever dented your frame or scratched it? Or had a jack slide out from underneath the frame? Here's a simple trick that could save that frame from getting scratched and maybe even your life. Anytime we lift a vehicle, we like to throw a good condition 2x4 on the jack pad. Doing this, we won't scratch up the frame. It also provides a little bit more gription, so to speak. Steel on steel tends to slide off. So here's a shot of our Corvette. You might have seen our restoration video, and if you haven't, go check it out. We did a lot of good stuff on it, and it was a lot of fun. The boy did a really nice job of cleaning the frame up, and we want to keep it that way. We don't want it getting scratched up. So here's what we do. We drop a 2x4 about 6 inches long on the jack, and we roll it under the frame. But this is important. You have to rotate the 2x4 so the wood grain runs perpendicular to the frame. See how the grain runs this way? You want to place that 2x4 underneath the frame that way. The frame runs left to right, so you want the grain to go across that. If you don't do it like that, the wood can split right down the grain lines, and that's not just useless, it could be dangerous. So you don't want it like this. Don't do it this way. You have to rotate it the other way. Doing it this way will cause the wood to crack and the car may slip off the jack. So always rotate it and then jack it up. Much safer this way. So using the wood spreads pressure over a larger area, grips better than bare steel. It's cheap, simple, and smart. Try it on your next lift. And don't forget to check out our other videos. Stay safe, everybody.